The pursuit of ultimate perfection involves a series of sophisticated trade-offs. The essence, impeccable as it is only possible after wiping off the superficial glamour. Therefore, every single step we take is indispensable and irreplaceable. Magnets exist in all industries, but we never aim at explosive growth in order to join that league. We prioritize quality over speed. Symax is a company that owns a world-class portfolio of cutting-edge technologies. Headquartered in Vancouver, Canada, we operate in the fields of lifts, biomimetic technology, new materials, new energy, and others. Through over a decade of efforts in the lift industry, Symax has expanded into 2 major domains and established 3 research centers and 5 manufacturing bases, providing products and services to customers from 81 countries and regions around the world. The product range covers residential lifts, home lifts, commercial lifts, panoramic lifts, freight lifts, hospital lifts, escalators, travelators, stair lifts, and so on. Despite the wide variety, they all have the same Symax gene of being safe, reliable, energy efficient, intelligent, durable, and quality. We understand that lifts are more than just a carrier of vertical transportation. They are more of a carrier of life. With that in mind, we take a step-by-step approach to steady and concrete progress. We value responsibility over profitability. From design, manufacturing, management to installation and maintenance, our constant refinement is what brings the entire system to perfection. Symax is committed to continuous development and innovation. Boasting structural designs with a strength standard 1.5 times higher than the national requirements and multiple well-developed proprietary technologies, we strive to deliver the best combination of the security system, the drive system, the control system, the lift car system, and the hoistway system. We empower our customers with user-friendly solutions that are tailored to exactly what they need in a fixed architectural space. Having gathered massive data based a decade of sustained accumulation, we have established an exclusive and unique database. By using big data to enable operation, statistics, modularization, and spatial intensification, the Creo 3D simulation design system makes possible the real-time modeling for rationality and universality analysis. We have realized parameterized design data, scientific configuration, and visualize non-standard processes to ensure functionality, suitability, and efficiency. We bear the spirit of craftsmanship that always endeavors to improve. We uphold the philosophy of product refinement that drives constant upgrades of process techniques towards perfection. We seek intelligence-driven product renovation that brings us pleasure and fulfilling experience. The SLS Refined Intelligent Manufacturing Management System of Symax adheres to standardized operation, streamlined processing, and systemized management. For everything from material preparation, production scheduling, to manufacturing and cost accounting, standardization and customization have always been seamlessly integrated. With a scientific and systematic management system, we have reduced error rate at each stage and improved work efficiency. We are now able to provide superior and more economical products to our customers and shorten the delivery time to 5 to 7 days. As the lift components production is becoming increasingly specialized, Symax puts emphasis on building a synchronized supply chain to help reduce costs, improve management and procurement, as well as to mitigate safety risks. We have adopted the visual JIT logistics management approach, which effectively lowers inventory costs and reduces lead time, enabling faster response of the customer service function, whether it is the machine or the security system. As long as the core components of the lift are concerned, traceability management will be strictly implemented with above national level standards, from raw materials to parts and components. We are deeply aware that only by building a strong alliance can we perform beyond customers' expectations, and that only by rigorously optimizing the supply chain can we retain the trust of our customers. In the lift industry, the improvement of professional quality in installation and maintenance has always been a key problem for customers. Symax takes convenient installation and commissioning into account early in the design stage. This has reduced difficulties in construction and maintenance staff's work and saved around 30% to 50% of their time. Universal installation management process and strict installation procedures not only ensure the efficiency and quality of installation practices, but also involve professional technical support and training to the customers. Our customer service center provides non-stop 24/7 services, and our staff will arrive in 20 minutes in response to a 4-star maintenance request. We offer a safe and reliable vertical transportation network of comprehensive coverage, from spare parts response, remote monitoring system to service outlets. The ultimate perfection is built on countless experiments, innovative efforts, and desires to change. It arises from the struggles, time to time, between something and nothing. It embodies the perseverance held by all employees of the company. Firmly upholding its people-centric approach, Symax always places its emphasis on and spares no effort to achieve what the customers care about the most. We have been and will continue to go beyond customers' expectations and create a better life with technology, passion, and expertise.